Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're going to show you wireless Apple CarPlay to an Audi S5 2015. So we have the Apple device in here. We have the controllers, the MMI controllers in here. This vehicle has a factory GPS. We have the factory screen here, so we're going to transfer to the CarPlay screen. So we have the CarPlay screen, again, no cables, nothing is connected. And we're going to activate the Siri with our MMI button. Siri, send a text message.
Who do you want to send it to?
Cancel.
Okay, I won't send it.
Now we are using actually the factory microphone in this case, so we don't have any microphone add-on. Everything is used from the factory, and as you can hear, it is from the factory speakers. For Apple CarPlay devices and other electronics for cars, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Have a good day.